let's give you some realistic examples of what that looks like for you. Let's look at the same 250. The only difference is you added $25 and said trade it for me. After 12 months, you got 1,066. After 5 years, you got 500,000 in this example. Look, this is with an average 12% monthly return. I've seen the bots generate anywhere from 18 to 24. Okay, let's look at it. Let's look in the middle. Let's jump to, hey, Brian, I got $75. Right now, I'm gonna get my license. I already know whatever it is, it's gotta have 10%. That's 10% of what I need to be trading. So you gotta put $750 in your account for your $75. You take the $75 and say, hey, trade this for me. They say, perfect. I got $750 in my account. After 12 months, it's 3,000. You expect to receive 3,000 with this number. After 5 years, it's 1.6. Everybody on this Zoom can catch up in life. Everybody. But you can't do it annually. How many more years you got left? I hate to keep saying it like that, but how many more weeks you got left? That's how often you want your money to compound. So why are we still on the Zoom? Good night.